If you're coming from Foreplay or Motion, the hardest part of switching isn't learning a new tool, it's a fear of losing everything you built. Like your saved ads, your boards, your competitor lists. But here's the good news. Moving to Atria doesn't mean you're starting over, and most of it isn't even manual. Let me show you how the move works. First, what you actually bring in together. Foreplay was your swipe file, where you saved your ads, built boards for inspiration. Motion, on the other hand, was your analytics, where you read your performance. The problem was always the same. 2 tools, 2 tabs, and no connection between what you saved and what actually worked. Atria, other hand, does both in one place and ties them together. Now the part people don't expect. You don't have to rebuild your library by hand. Atria's team will move it for you, for free. Email support and put here on the subject import request in the subject line, and they will transfer your saved ads, your boards, and the way you had them organized. That alone takes the pain out of switching. After you send the email, come here on the analytics, connect your Meta and TikTok accounts. This is what replaces Motion. The moment you connect and you put all your information here, Atria starts pulling your performance and grading your ads. So you don't just see what happened, you see what to do about it. Then rebuild your research in seconds. Here in the Inspo tab, for example, you can follow the brands where you were tracking on Foreplay. The moment you follow one, Atria starts syncing its ads into your library, along with their hooks, their angles, the persona they target. Your competitor's research doesn't just carry over, it gets deeper. And here's what you get that you didn't have before. One connected loop. You find a winning ad, you understand why it works, and you can come and generate your own version. You test it, and Atria grades it, and the results tells you what to fix. Foreplay saved the ad. Motion graded the ad. Atria does both, and close the gap between them. So, that's the move. Send one import email, connect your accounts, follow your brands, and you're up and running in an afternoon with everything you had, plus the part that you were always missing. Let's get you set up.